Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce CRM for managing territories step by step clearly. To log into Salesforce CRM for managing territories, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Salesforce login URL, which is salesforce.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click the login button to proceed. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your Salesforce username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your username for any typos. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. If you do not remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Salesforce homepage. From here, navigate to the App Launcher icon, usually found in the top left corner. Click on the App Launcher to see a list of available applications. Type Territory in the search bar to quickly find the Territory Management app. Select the Territory Management option from the search results. You will now be in the Territory Management interface. From here, you can manage and assign territories as needed. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Explore options for creating new territories or editing existing ones as required. Once your tasks are completed, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to securely exit the application. You are now ready to effectively manage your territories in Salesforce CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.